All right, folks. Oh, hold on. Look at this. Look at her. She's way out there. Time to see if the buggy will start. She's been sitting for a solid, I'd say 3 months. Last trip out, definitely buried her in the swamp overnight. So, see if it'll fire up. Probably not. Grab the jumper pack. And if it fires up, one cool thing that'll happen, well, it'd be cool if it doesn't happen, I should say, is hopefully the axles aren't full of water and she won't move. Because if that's the case, I'll just guarantee she's going to sit here till summer. And I'd like to pull it in the shop, do a little tinkering on the old unit. Oh, she's still got swamp just caked on her. I need to get it in the shop, thawed out, and then pull it back out, wash it, and then pull it back in the shop, and then be able to tinker on her, folks. She's dirty. So let's see, let me set you folks. I doubt that might work. We're gonna give her a start and see if she goes. All right, this might have just got a little more difficult. She did nothing. And normally my jump start box wants to see a little bit of juice before it even tries to do something. So we'll hope for the best and see what we get here. Get the old jump box out. The jump box works good as long as you freaking catch it before a completely dead battery, which is, I think, what we got here is one of that situation. It is a completely dead battery. But let's see, or a frozen battery, which would be a, oh, that sucks, folks. Really? Oh, this is a mess. All right. Well, let me tell you, she's froze. The battery actually looks like it is balloon shaped now. Normally they're square, rectangular units. So now, I don't know. I'll go find a battery to jump that battery because I don't want to take the connections off because I'm too lazy. See if that works. And I'll be back. Oh. If you guys can ever get the opportunity to build an entire buggy, take about another 30 minutes and throw hood stand on there, so you know, little kickstand, so she stays up. A lot easier. All right, folks, we're having more issues here. More than we need, more than we want. What is going on? Maybe I grabbed another bad battery. I mean, nothing. Apparently, you can't jump a bad battery that's blown up with a good battery. Oh wait, we got noise, folks. We got noise. Started, you know, as you can hear. I don't even think I've uploaded a video since I've gotten it fully running and driving. I honestly probably haven't put hardly over 100 miles on it, but she's a runner. She needs a little tune up here and there after the old swamp run, but we'll get her dialed back in, get her in the shop thawed out, and hopefully I'll be better about uploading videos, even though it's winter time. So I mean, the odds of me actually using the damn thing are pretty low, but who knows, maybe we'll stop getting snow. We'll have to go dangle in the snow with these tires that are not meant for the snow, not even a little bit. Like, once she warms up a few, I'll video trying to climb up the little ditch here. I mean, she might make it, but I highly doubt it. These tires don't grip snow worth a hoot and hanny. But I'll come back in a moment after this little girl warms up. Maybe thaw the windshield out, because you ain't gonna see how that daggone thing. Alright, we're gonna give her a whoa and a go. If it'll even move. Like I said, the axles might be full of water, not even give her a jingle. All right, folks, she made it and did it. I guess I should have believed in her a little bit more. But shoot it! The old fender. So the buggy, I'll try to post pictures, but the buggy was literally sat overnight, probably that deep in the swamp, just all underwater, and kind of froze a little bit, not froze bad. Obviously enough to hurt the old fender, but I think with a couple hammers and a load hanger, that'll straighten right out. She's all in one piece, folks. What's the main things we gotta do? The winch lines, all the winch lines broke. Obviously this one's still here, but we obviously tied knots in it to get it back together so I can pull myself out. Had a couple buddies come save me. Got a leak on the transfer case, gotta fix. What else? The shocks. The coils are binding up on each other, or binding up on the body. So I got new Ibach coils for the fronts, top and bottom, to see if that works. If that works and fixes it, they're a little heavier rate too. I'll get some more for the rears, because the rears are binding up pretty good. You can hear it when you're going down the trail. I don't know if you can see it, but obviously the spring is that way, rubbing the old shock body. Thanks FOA, you guys suck. Anyways, what else we got here, folks? Freaking lights work, dude. I didn't even have to turn them on, just turn the key on, they're on, dude. But yeah, try to get her in the shop, get her thawed out, maybe get a little bit better footage of the old unit. Little front drive line. Oh, look at her. Look at her. Oh yeah, the transmission. Forgot about the stupid transmission. That thing keeps building heat, so we're gonna have to figure that out. I got a aftermarket load hanger in the back with a radiator and a fan, and it still gets hot. So maybe a bad torque converter? I don't know. Let the YouTube mechanics tell me. I got a solid 21 views on my last video, so I'm hoping to hit 19 views on this video and get some real knowledge on what the heck I need to do to this thing. That'd be great. But what else? Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that window. Let me tell you, that window didn't have a ding, scratch, or a nick in it. And then my buddy comes over with this freaking bubba rope, gives me the old yank. Now, bubba rope left the chat right through the windshield. We're gonna need a new one of those, folks. But that's all right. That's nothing major. Runs, drives, tranny overheats, shocks suck. The front diff makes more noise than it needs to. It sucks. It's annoying. We'll figure that out. What else? What else? Look at that. She's a freaking unit, dude. I did that myself. I have no idea what I'm doing. I mean, it ain't nothing like a Toyota build with freaking 6-inch leaf spring build, but I got freaking my FJ axles under here with my electric lockers. Toyotas suck, by the way, you guys. That's all I'm getting at. Chevy Colorado for the win.